Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about a very common problem, space constraint. Many of us do not have the luxury of having a big balcony. So we will be sharing two ideas how to decorate small balconies for maximum utilization of the area. We need to keep few things in mind while we decorate a small area. First, we need to utilize the vertical space rather than the horizontal space. Second, we need to have planters which are hanging. Third, we need to have a sitting area which is cozy and we need not clutter it with heavy furnitures. Fourth, we need to have warm, easy lighting to give it a nice touch. And fifth, we need to have one particular corner which is a special corner where we can have statues, candles, good plants, favorite ones. So let us see how we decorate our small area. The way we are decorating the balcony will be of a very low budget. If we require, we can use carpentry works like decorating the vertical areas with wooden frames, and then we can give a very classy look also. But in this video, we'll be talking about how we can decorate the area with things which are around us in a low budget. Let's have a tour. So this is my veranda, which is 3 feet by 5 feet. I have got these two racks from Amazon. I will be placing them carefully and I will be covering them with a cloth. We can use artificial grass also for covering the racks. Now we'll be placing the plants one by one. I will be using up the vertical space of my veranda to hang these. If we do not have decorative candle holders at home, what we can use is like glasses like this. We can just keep candles which has a self holder. So we can just place candles over here for night, a nice night view. This would be a just perfect place for book lovers with a decorative lantern just beside. If you like this video and you find the information is useful, please do share, like and subscribe us. Also do not forget to hit the bell icon down. Thank you.